Hi friends, this is Akshay and welcome to this channel Career Edge. Today I am on the platform BitDegree. It provides free certificate on many courses, some are paid, some are free, but today we are going to see the free courses which offered by this platform. Please watch this video full because we are going to search if there is any trick to get this certificate in some instant, which courses are free and why this platform is very much different from other platforms. You can see some of the courses which are paid on this, and these are very trending courses on this platform. And here don't know where to start means if you are confusion with courses, then you can get a quiz here. When you attempt that quiz, then this platform recommends you the best courses which match your choices. Now I am going to show you what is different on this platform. That is a learning path. It shows a learning path for any of the courses. As an example, if you go for digital marketing group, then you get all the knowledge, all the courses which makes you a better in this field. Here is a learning path to become a digital marketing group. It is an example of by digital marketing. You can choose any of the Android development, data science, any other which is mentioned on this platform, and you get all the information, all the courses which are here, and you start learning from beginning to the advanced. Now I am going to move on the courses, and here are the courses. Firstly, we are searching for the free courses, and here we get it. The course first which are free is Introducing Coding for Beginners and HTML CSS online course. Django and HTML CSS3 means web development courses, marketing courses, many courses are free. You have to search on this. For searching, you have to take some filters which are given in this platform. Now I am going to show you how to sign up and how to take courses. Firstly, you can see many more courses which are for marketing, just like Alibaba Group this course, and here I am going to sign up for this course of WordPress for beginners. It is too long course for 2 hours course, and here it is free. Firstly, you have to sign up for this. Just tap on start learning now, and when you tap on start learning now, you have to sign up on this platform. And here is the sign up option. You can click on sign up with Google, you can sign up with any of the platform, and here a Gmail from BitDegree is come, and here now I am going to continue. When you open this course, firstly you have to enroll. Yes, enroll, and then this is the course overview. Now you can start from the section 1. But one thing I notice here that you cannot skip any of this lesson. You have to spend all 2 hours at this course because it see how much time you spent on this platform. So there is no trick to get certificate directly. So enjoy this course. Thanks for watching.